Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We had a couple technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's just tweaking. I wanted to record the live stream, but for those of you who've been following me for a minute, you guys know that my MacBook and OBS there's something wrong with it. Like, I've been trying to set up the OBS, but I've watched so many videos. I've had multiple friends trying to help me out and set it up, but for some reason, like, it won't pick up the audio or it'll just freeze. And yeah, like, I'm going to see what I can do. I was running another app that I was using to record like my trade breakdowns and everything, but it was interfering with like the audio on the call. So I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do, but I'm excited to be back recording content for you guys every single day. We're back on the schedule, back trading with the team. And yeah, I mean, the thing with this is, like, I want to record vlogs for you guys, but at the same time, like, I also want to keep the videos very simple, because there's really moments where like things get in my way and like I can't make it happen. And then, like, if I don't really get it on the first try like I had envisioned it, like, I'll just step away from it, and then 9 times out of 10 procrastination will get in the way, and like I'll say like, oh, I'll leave it for tomorrow. I know it's a bad habit, but like, I caught myself in that spiral. Mainly it was because of losing the account and all the things that were happening around me, but slowly but surely I'm going to get back into my routine when it comes to the content. I'll implement a lot of more things, but overall it's a slow grind, but I'm back, you know, like, slowly but surely I'm just going to find my rhythm again when it comes to recording the content. There's a lot of ideas that I have. I want to implement a lot of things. I want to bring you guys along my morning routine when it comes to my habits that got me to the position where I'm in today. I really want to show you guys the mentality that has helped me unlock this, I want to say, never-ending confidence when it comes to the charts, right? We had 2 great calls this weekend with the boys on the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's down below. Mainly speaking about psychology and seeing how great the feedback was from the calls, and like just examining myself. Like I tell you guys, having that, being able to reevaluate your whole day, understanding like, I didn't give 100% effort in this area of my life, but over here I was able to recover from the lack of effort from the morning or whatever, right? I deconstruct everything that I do from when my day starts to when it finishes, right? And I really want to bring you guys along my morning routine, because that's like the fundamental pillar to, like, that's pretty much like the key to my success and discipline when it comes to trading, because challenging myself when my day starts really sets the tone for the rest of the day, right? I wake up in the morning, 5 a.m. New York open for me is 6:30 a.m., right? And 5 a.m. I'm up, get my stretch in, go for my mile run, come back home, shower, get my breakfast ready, just start the day right, you know? And then hop on the charts, and starting my morning with that run, challenging myself, because it's something that I hate. You guys know that I hate running. The only thing that I get from it is discipline. Becoming a disciplined person translates to every single area of your life. Now, going back to the conversations that we were having on the Discord, the biggest question was, how do you hold yourself back from over trading and not following your plan? It's simple. Like I told you guys, every time that I make a video, every time that I'm here speaking with you guys, I'm being something that I feel like the world is lacking, and even the trading community. I'm being transparent and authentic. Like, there was moments where I didn't know those answers. Through trial and error, through messing up, blowing accounts, that's how you learn how to control yourself, and that's how you build that self-discipline to stay away from breaking your rules, right? I like to use vivid examples that people can understand. It's like, if you tell a child, I'm a father, right? If I tell my son, do not touch this because it's hot, he does not understand that until he touches that and he knows that he shouldn't be doing that, right? Same thing when it comes to trading. We know we shouldn't do it, but we still do it. Once we have that painful loss where we blow our account, it's our last account, we finally got funded, we blew our account, it's like you learn from those things, right? It's plain and simple common sense. But the trading community is filled with people who just want to take advantage of other people. Like I told you guys since day one, I'm going to be as transparent and authentic as I can with you guys. I brought you guys along the journey. If I'm sweating, boys, I already told you guys this little storage room is hot as fuck. I gotta figure out a way to like add something here to like get some air flowing. And it's summer, it's like 115 degrees outside, bro. It's like, it's hot as fuck in this room. So if I'm sweating, I'm sorry, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right? There's a lot of maintenance going on in my apartment. I was gonna go outside and walk and just vlog with you guys, but there's things that I can't control. So like, I just found some time to record this video for you guys, but kinda is a little bit of a rushed video. But tomorrow is gonna be better. I'm going to have everything properly set up, and I would want to record mainly in the mornings because it's not that hot. But like I told you guys, whenever I have time to record, I'm going to record for you guys. I want to be consistent. I want to keep on showing up every day and show you guys what it takes to become a profitable trader, to overcome the hurdles that are holding you back, because the only thing holding you back is yourself. We've all heard this. Literally everything you hear on social media is the answer to your problems. I took a step back and I realized, like, I'm hearing the same message, I'm understanding what they're saying, and it just clicked for me. It's common sense. You don't need anything or anyone but yourself. It's going to be hard, it's going to take so much time, but building that relationship with yourself is the best thing you can do. You got yourself at the end of the day. If you have self-doubt, if you don't believe in yourself, you're just going to take yourself 20, 30 steps backwards. Build that relationship with yourself and you're going to see how things are just going to keep on elevating. I am sorry for this video being so rushed, but I'm going to make it up to you guys. Everything is going to get better throughout the week. I really got to get a fan in here or something, and then I got the ring light right here, so like that's like more fucking, like this makes the room hotter, and then I got the boiler in here, so like it's hot as fuck. But we're gonna make it work. No excuses. We're just going to show up consistently. We're just gonna keep on getting better. I'm going to be live trading every single day. I'm going to be hosting calls with the team every weekend. If you guys want to join the community, you guys can check the links down below. With that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're only going to get better. Let's get to it.